So my goal in doing the masterclass was being able to become more knowledgeable and educated in business and how to run a business, because I come from a background where I was an employee. It just really helped me figure a lot of things out that are key to growing. So key takeaways from the masterclass were definitely the importance of understanding and creating a vision and a mission within your company, and that it definitely cannot just be about profitability. It has to be about what your end goal is, and looking forward. It's given us strategy, definitely. When we were in a place where we weren't sure what to do, or we knew kind of where we wanted to go, but it gave us purpose in what we're doing, and it gave us the tools and the information that we need to really move forward, and what we need to apply first in order to be able to look at the bigger picture. By taking this class, it's created not even just more of a understanding of where we need to be with our mission and our vision and why we do that, but it's created us the ability to relay that to our employees, and to also just create more of a goal and an understanding of where we want to be and how we're going to do that. So I would highly recommend the Business Masterclass. I just think that it's applicable to any business owner who's been in business for a while, but it breaks things down for you, and it also gives you the support in a setting and the growth that you need to really be able to move forward.